Yeah, good morning to all. We are from CHEM-JEE Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the quantitative elemental analysis. This topic is from organic chemistry, as you know. ये जो टॉपिक है ना बच्चे अभी very very important for your JEE mains के लिए और also for your NEET. So in this let me we'll go to my main topic. So here we are going to estimate the different elements from organic compound. So first we are initially taking m grams of organic compound. From that organic compound we are going to estimate the percentage of different elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogens. So first in hydrocarbon we will be doing that carbon and hydrogen will be there. So suppose say if you are taking m grams of organic compound, उसमें say m1 grams of hydrogen we got in the form of water. So that will be calculated as percentage of hydrogen can be calculated as 2 by 18. 2 by 18. 18 because of that molecular weight of water. And the amount of water formed is say m1 grams. And we have taken the total amount of the organic compound taken was m. So into 100. So this formula will give the percentage of hydrogen, very very important. Now percentage of carbon. Suppose say the same organic compound, if you burnt with oxygen, you will be knowing that x moles of carbon dioxide will be formed, by 2 moles of water molecule will be formed. Now percentage of carbon can be calculated with the help of this what we call the formula 12 by 44 into m2 by m. M2 is nothing but here it is m2 is a percentage of carbon dioxide form, the amount of carbon dioxide form. So this formula is for the percentage of carbon, this formula is used for percentage of hydrogen. Now this one is very very important बेटा. ये जो टॉपिक है ये इसमें एक जरूर आएगा एग्जाम में, तो जरूर आएगा जेईई या नीट में. You will see in every session there will be one compulsory question on this topic. You will definitely get one question. Now percentage of nitrogen, as you know, percentage of nitrogen can be calculated by two methods known as a Dumas method, Zeldal method. Now Dumas method में क्या है, अभी जो इसमें क्या है वॉल्यूम, we are going to calculate the volume of nitrogen that is liberated that is formed at STP conditions. So this is the volume of nitrogen. Here it is V, and M, as you know that M is an organic compound, mass of the organic compound, that is weight of the organic compound taken. So the formula will be percentage of nitrogen can be calculated in the Dumas method is 28 into V into 100 divided by 22,400 into M. Why? Because one molecular weight of any compound will occupy in the gases, that is will occupy 22,400 milliliters of value. Okay. Now this is the Dumas method. Now second method is the Zeldal method. In Zeldal method, here we are going to convert the compound into ammonium sulfate. Later we are going to titrate this one with sodium hydroxide. So here percentage of N2 can be calculated, the formula 1.4 into M. M is the molarity of the sulfuric acid into 2 into V minus V1 by 2. So here V is the volume of the sulfuric acid. V1 is the nothing but here it is the volume of the NaOH divided by that starting compound, mass of the organic compound. So here we are going to use the formula percentage of nitrogen can be calculated with the help of the formula 1.4 into capital M, molarity of the sulfuric acid, into 2 into V minus V1 by 2. V is the volume of the H2SO4, V1 is the volume of NaOH divided by that the starting compound taken, that is mass of the compound, organic compound taken. So here everywhere the M stands for mass of the organic compound taken. From that only we are going to estimate the different elements, the percentage of different elements. Now we'll see the previous questions asked from these two topics, from the nitrogen and also from this percentage of halogen, percentage of sulfur. These are very very important. You'll surely get one question. हर सेशन में एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आएगा. Now percentage of X2, that is nothing but halogen. Now this method is known as as you know that this method is known as Carrier's method. Now here percentage of X2 and nothing but halogen. X can be here, here it is, X can be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now, percentage of X can be calculated with the formula. Now here what we are going to do is, here the organic compound is treated with this silver nitrate. Now that will be converted into silver halide. So now the atomic mass of X, the formula here we are going to use atomic mass of X into M1. M1 is the mass of the organic, that is silver halide formed, mass of the silver halide formed. Now into 100 divided by molecular mass of AgX, that is silver, molecular mass of silver halide into M. M is nothing but M is the compound starting, the weight of the starting compound, that is initial compound, initial organic compound. So here this formula is very, very important. Now percentage of sulfur. Here again this one is also calculated from the Carrier tube only, that is a Carrier method. Now here it will be converted into sulfur, it will be converted into barium sulfate. Now what, as you know, sulfur atomic weight is 32 divided by barium sulfate, the molecular weight is 233, 32 by 233 into M1. Now this sulfur is in the organic compound, sulfur is converted into barium sulfate, that is sulfate. So now how much amount of this sulfate is produced, that denotes M1. So M1 into 100 divided by 233 into M. M is again nothing but the mass of the starting compound, starting organic compound. So this formula is also very, very important. Now percentage of phosphorus. Percentage of phosphorus can be calculated with the formula 62 into M1. M1 nothing but mass of that phosphorus can be converted into different phosphorus compound. Like here it is will be converted into magnesium Mg2P2O7. Now here that's why we are taking the molecular mass as a 222, and whereas a P2 here 62 into M1, the mass of this one produced, M1 into 100 divided by 222. Okay. Now we will calculate this one with the help of the formula 222. Now percentage of oxygen can be calculated with the formula 32 into M1 into 100 divided by 88 into M. Now we'll see the previous questions. Yes, you will see the previous questions. All these are the questions of January session. Now first we'll see in the case of estimation of halogens, 180 milligrams of organic compound produced 143.5 milligrams of AgCl. So here they are saying M is 180, whereas organic compound produced how much better? How much Ag is the AgCl that has produced M1. This one nothing but M1 is 143.5. Now the percentage composition of the chlorine in the compound is, the percentage composition of the chlorine in the compound is. Now you say atomic mass is, say this one, if you use this formula, now we see percentage of X, that is percentage of Cl they are asking. So here it is atomic mass, how much atomic mass is, that is 35.5 grams. Here it is, they are in milligrams. So M1 produced, that one is 143.5 divided by molecular mass of AgX, that is again molecular mass of AgX is 143.5. Now total mass is 180 into 100. So this one get cancelled. Now if you see here, 35.5 into this divided by 180 into 100. 35.5 divided by 180 into 100 will give you roughly approximately 19.72. So this will be 20. So like this they have asked one in January session. So if you remember this formula, you will definitely get, you will be able to answer one question from this topic. So very much important. Now second question, if you see, they have asked the this percentage of sulfur. During sulfur estimation, 160 milligrams of an organic compound gives 466 milligrams of barium sulfate. The percentage of sulfur in the organic compound is. So yeah, this one is also very easy. Now next another question. This one is also from general session only. In Carrier's method, estimation of halogen. 0.2 grams of an organic compound. That means 0.2 gram of an organic compound. That means mass of the organic compound taken is 0.25. Give 0.15 grams of silver bromide. So that is 0.15 silver bromide. Now the percentage of bromine in the organic compound is atomic mass. You will be knowing that is 80. Atomic mass of bromine, since they are asking bromine, that is 80. So your molecular mass will be 108 of silver and 80 of this bromine. So it will be 188. So here it is 80 by 188 into, that is 0.165 divided by 0.25 into 100. We will be getting roughly, that is 255. So like this they have asked questions, and these are also very important for your. See another question from the January session. In the sulfur estimation, this one, in the sulfur estimation of 0.2 grams of a pure organic compound. So the mass of the starting compound taken is 0.2 grams, and which gave 0.40 grams of barium sulfate. This one is 0.40 of barium sulfate. So this one produced, M1 produced, that is a mass of the barium sulfate produced is 0.40. The percentage of sulfur in the compound is, so here it is 0.20, 0.40. So you will be getting how much? So simply you have to substitute 32 divided by 233 into this one 0.40 by 0.20 into 100. So it will be 2. So you will be getting 27.5. So like this, these are very important topics. I hope you understood this one. So all the best from the CHEM-JEE Academy, those who are appearing in April session. So just you mainly focus on this Dumas method, Zeldal method, percentage of X2, how to calculate the percentage of halogen, that is by Carrier's method, and also percentage of sulfur. This one is also very important. Percentage of phosphorus also very important. Thank you.